We just came upon this little baby bird, or I think it's a baby. He can't quite fly. I think it's trying to learn how to fly. Hi there, little buddy. You're so adorable. Oh, he's learning how to fly, guys. Oh, and look right here, guys. Look, a snake.
A gardener snake.
A garter snake. Look at this, guys.
Oh no, he looks like a striped rat snake.
Look, guys. He's looking directly at us. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. We love you, snake. Oh! You say, what's up? A baby bird and a snake in the same video. What an amazing walk. We love you all. We'll see you later. One more look. Hi. All right.